Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a quick video and I'm gonna show you why I like the 68030 processor so much. Because I'm a WHDLoad gamer and this Amiga 4000 motherboard, the Amiga 4000 DCR, has a built-in 68030 CPU that runs 25 MHz. And the 030 CPU is just so compatible with WHDLoad Gaming, and I just love that one. Let's just pick Shadow of the Beast from 1989, and with the 030 on this Amiga 4000, let's just check out the sound, so you can hear that it runs as it should. Just like on the Amiga 500, you know. "30-year-old game, guys. Incredible music. Incredible graphics back then. Let's not talk about the gameplay, but yeah, everything else was just mind-blowing back then. So this is the 030. Let's put in an 040 CPU and see what's going on with that one. Alright, I've just installed the 040, and if we just access Workbench here, then you can see that it runs with an 040, guys. And the 040, 060, they're just so fast. If you work with your Amiga, then the 040 or 060 is just beautiful. So as you can see, 68,000, 040, 25 MHz. Runs well, but if you want to play games on WHDLoad, let's try to enter Shadow of the Beast again, and let's just listen to the music. Let's get some more volume up there. There we go. Alright, let's enter games. The games menu, everything is just, it's much faster with the I can really feel the difference with the 040. I mean, when I just scroll down the screenshots, okay, this is just the same, but as you can see here, you can listen to when I press. Really nice. So let's try Shadow of the Beast. Oh, the music on Shadow of the Warriors, great. Okay, Shadow of the Beast. You just listened to it a couple of minutes ago with the 030. Let's just check out with the 040. I don't know if the volume is too much, but let's just give it a go. Listen to this, guys. Let's compare. Oh, as you can hear, it got stuck, and the music, it was just too fast, and it didn't work. Now, you can use the reload kick and boot with Kickstart 1.3 just like we did back in the days. You can go in here, you can choose the original chipset and so on, just like we did back in the days. You can go into boot options. You can actually disable CPU caches. Now when you do this, then your 68040 or whatever you use will get really slow. So there are some different tricks you can do to play some of the older games. So let's just try to disable the CPU caches. Now Usually you can do a couple of tricks to make your Amiga slower and play the games that are not that compatible with faster CPUs like the 040 or 60. But stuff like that irritates me so much. That's why you can make it work, but that's why I just use the 030 CPU. It's just all around super nice. 020 is also fine with at least 8 megabytes of fast RAM and 2 megabytes chip RAM, of course, guys. But in the menu, the 020 CPU is just too slow. Also 010 too slow for me. For me only. Disable CPU caches use. So now still the 040 is installed. Let's see how it. You saw how fast it booted and worked in the menu, and same system. Yeah, same 16 gigabyte compact flash card. And it loads. Alright, that was okay. So let's just enter the games menu. There we go. Okay, I'm pressing S now. Waiting. Come on, there we go. Look at the menus here. Load. Skip, load. As you can see, it's just, when I press 3 times, 4 times, and I stop pressing, it's just, you can just see it's just so slow, guys. Come on, you can take 30, there we go. Come on. Oh, there we go, all right. As you can see, really slow compared to a couple of minutes ago, really slow. Disable CPU caches, you can really feel the difference. Now let's see how it goes. Still 040. Yeah, too fast. And we got stuck. Yeah, as you can see, everything over the 030, there are some other tricks, but I really don't like to use my time with all those fixes. I just want everything to work, everything to run, the easiest way. I'm just gonna enter one game, 2 seconds, guys. Music on this one, if it works with the 040, yes, it works. What? Oh man, that's just ruined, man. 2 seconds, guys. I will just 2 seconds. Okay, the 040 is removed. We're running with the 030 now, and let's just enter Shadow Warriors. I mean, the 030 is okay, run fine. 25 megahertz. Oh, I shouldn't play Shadow of the Beast. It should be the other one, Shadow Warriors, guys. I'm gonna press F10 in 2 seconds. Now. And on my Amiga 1200, I'm also running with the 030, but that one runs 40 or 50 megahertz, and this one runs 25 megahertz, and it's such a great system. Great games, great computer, guys. Now check out the music. That's how it should sound, guys. Really love the 030. Now you know why. I just want to say thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video explaining why my favorite Amiga CPU is the 68030. Between 25 to 50 megahertz is just perfect, combined with 2 megabytes of chip RAM and at least 8 megabytes of fast RAM. Then you can run maybe 90% of all the WHDLoad games out there, guys. That's just what I recommend. So until next time, I'm gonna play this game. I hope you will do that too. Have a great day, guys. Bye.